तो सर
But,
इसमें थोड़ा फ्रेमवर्क बता सकते हो कि आपने जब 2004 में आइडेंटिफाई किया ये, तो आपने क्या देखा? अभी आपके क्या थीसिस है? लाइक व्हाट आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आप कैसे कंपनी को इवैल्यूएट करते हो?
when I first met the company, I thought it was great. The promoter was a fabulous. He's still is still active.
एक बार ब्रीफली बस एक्सप्लेन करोगे बिजनेस मॉडल एंड ऑल?
So since we just happened to speak about UCAN is a leading engineering company in a small niche. It's actually a Japanese multinational. It makes it is a small business, but it has significant dominance in its areas of expertise, and it does a critical business. So business is okay. Business is solid. It's a globally well recognized engineering company of good standing. So when we invested in 2004, so I went to visit the plant. I thought the management was good. The plant was decent. They had many acres of land in sort of what today would be the heart of Bangalore. Those days was sort of not the heart of Bangalore, but was getting there. And so I went there, I saw all that. But at the end of the day, I saw that the stock price is 8 and the market cap of the company is 2.5 crores. Okay, 3 crore capital, great management, Japanese multinational, reasonable business. Not, I was scratching my head, downside kya hai? Okay. So the other reason to invest is कि अगर आपको बहुत IQ लगाना पड़ा तो पैसा खोएगा. Okay. If you're smashed out of your brain or you got up at 3 in the morning and you can still say the investment thesis out clearly, तो शायद पैसा बनेगा. Okay. So I saw all this and I said, so at some point I zoned out. I said like, ठीक है. I mean, at the end of the day, entry point क्या? Okay. Entry point क्या? कुछ नहीं है. So now it looks hard to believe that ऐसा trade क्यों होता है? आज भी ऐसा होता है. Every stage में stocks go through a period of neglect. So we bought. So then it went to 60 also. The market cap was what? 50 crores, 54 crores. We bought. 100 रुपए में भी क्या है? कुछ नहीं है. We bought. So, sorry, 100 रुपए में 30 crores market cap. 60. I got 1 0 wrong. So at 200 also it looked cheap to me. It looked cheap to me at 400 also. At 400 it was 120 crore market. तो क्या problem क्या है? You see. But the great mystery in this intelligent world of highly qualified people and everything is that we suffer from amnesia. अपने को lateral vision नहीं है. तो सभी को हिंदुस्तान लीवर लेना है, P100 PE में ये लेना है. लो, लेने में कोई तकलीफ नहीं है. Hard earned money है. So we would rather do homework and do the unfashionable thing. This pattern repeats. So basically the human, this pattern is never ending also. Okay. तो ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये अभी भी नहीं रिपीट हो रहा है. अभी भी ऐसा ही हो रहा है. वो ऐसे ही होते रहा.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.